In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a demo account in Exness. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to sign into your personal area on Exness. Then you want to go to the top left, click on Trading, and click on Accounts. Inside your Accounts tab, you can see you have Real and Demo. Make sure you click on Demo to open a demo account. And then from here, you want to go and click on Open Account in the top right. Now, once you do this, you want to go and select whichever one you want. You have standard accounts and then you have professional ones as well. You can switch or, of course, choose between 5 of these. Pick the one you want. I'm going to go with the standard and click on Continue. From here, you want to make sure it says demo up top, and then from here, pick your currency. There's a bunch of different ones. I'm actually going to go with USD right now, and then your starting balance. For this, I'm going to do with 10K to start, and then the nickname for your account can also be here. So I'm going to just name this one my demo account. It's completely up to you. And then from here, you can put in the leverage you want to use. I'm going to do 1 to 50, and then here, the platform can also be selected. There's 3 options. MT5, which is advanced and flexible, and it's also compatible with the Exness terminal, which means you can trade on web as well inside Exness. You can choose MT4, which is not supported in Exness terminal, so we can choose this only for specific use cases. For example, like if you want to trade inside MT4 on your computer, the installed app, and then the Exness, which is great for all traders, as you can see, simple, intuitive, and built for the Exness terminal. I'm actually going to pick this for now, and then I'm going to go and click on Create Account. And there we go, I've successfully created my account. Now if I hit this trade button over here, I'll be taken directly to the web trading terminal, and just like this, I can start using my newly freshly opened demo account, okay? For more tutorials, I do have separate videos on my channel. There's a full playlist, you can go check it and see how to do specific things inside Exness. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.